So I'm going to start off with primer, and I'm going to apply this primer all over my face, and I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Moving on, I'm going to apply my foundation, and I'm using this LA Color matte foundation. I'm going to blend that with this e.l.f. sponge, and I'm going to blend this all over my face. I tried this sponge from e.l.f. and actually I didn't like it. It was really stiff and it wasn't blending my foundation properly, so I do not recommend it. Moving on, my concealer. I'm using two concealer, one to conceal my dark circles and other one to highlight. And I'm going back with my damp beauty blender to make sure everything is blended. Then I'm gonna set my face with some loose powder, and I'm using this Maybelline translucent powder, which I really been enjoying it. It's perfect if you have like NC40 or NC42 shade, and I'm really liking that powder so far. And then I'm going to bronze up my face using this MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and I'm applying this right around my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline. Then I'm gonna set my face using this MAC mineralized powder, and I'm going to apply this all over the place where I applied my foundation. Then I'm going to apply some Fix Plus because my face was feeling really dry using that foundation. So if you have really dry skin, I don't recommend this foundation, but definitely it's a good foundation if you have more towards oily skin. Then I'm going to apply my highlighter, and I'm using this Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter, applying this on my forehead, my chin, a little bit in my inner corner, all these places. Moving on, I'm going to apply contour. This is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit, and I'm using the middle shade to contour. I really like this palette, especially if you do a lot of freelance work. This is a great palette for your kit. After that, I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm going to apply this right on the apple of my cheek. And I'm using this Luxie brush, really fluffy, which is perfect for blush, and it really distributes the color. Moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use this Morphe 35O palette. Everyone probably has it on their closet. I really like this palette, and I'm going to mainly focus on this shade, this section, and I'm going to take this 3 shade first, and I'm going to apply this all over my crease, but mainly diffuse this color all over my lid area and focus this color also in my crease. I'm gonna go back and forth a couple times just to intensify the color. I'm going to apply this orangey kind of shade and mainly focus this color on the crease area, and I'm going to bring this color also to my inner corner. I probably went back 2 or 3 times to blend this shade, so take your time and blend this color. Then I'm gonna go back to this color and apply this color right outer corner using the same blending brush, also bringing this color to my inner corner. Moving on, I'm gonna take a smaller detailed brush and apply this brown shade right outer corner and slightly bring this to my inner corner. So I'm repeating the same step, mostly focusing on my crease area. After that, I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm going to do half cut crease. I'm going to apply some concealer on my lid, and I am gonna take my time to do this step because I really wanted my crease to be really defined and precise. So take your time and do this step. After that, I'm gonna go back to the same blending brush without any product. I'm just gonna diffuse those 2 colors together so there is no harsh line in between. Then I'm going to take this gold shade and I'm going to wet my brush with some Fix Plus, and I'm going to apply this shade on my lid. Then I'm going to take this kind of metallic bronzier shade and I'm going to apply this in between my matte and my metallic shade, so there is no harsh line also. Then I'm gonna take some glitter, and these glitters are from Makeupforever, so I'm going to find that shade number and I'm going to leave it in the description box so you guys can check that out. But I absolutely love this shade. It's so pigmented and so perfect for festival time or any wedding ceremony attending. This is a great glitter. Then I'm going to take some highlight color and apply this to my brow bone, also my inner corner, and then I'm going to go ahead and move on to my eyeliner. I'm using a Stila liner to create my wing liner. After that, I'm going to apply some black liner to my tight line, also in my waterline. It's very crucial if you're doing this kind of smoky eye to apply some liner to your tight line. It really brings the look together. Then I'm going to take 3 brown shade. You can pick any shade you want to. I'm going to apply this to my lower lash line and I'm really smoking it out. After that, I'm gonna use my lashes, and actually these are not red cherry lashes. I don't remember where I got it from, but I did order them from online. So if I find that same pair of lashes, I will leave it in the description box, but you can use any dramatic lashes if you have it. And then I'm gonna go back to my face and apply some Kat Von D powder to underneath my eyes to highlight my face. And also I'm gonna repeat my highlight and a little bit of my bronzer, so everything looks completed and looks good. Moving on to my lips, I'm going to use a lip liner from Milani and apply this color all over my lips as a base. Then I'm gonna use 2 liquid lipstick. Actually I used 3. You're gonna see the other shade in a bit. I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. I really like the shade. I'm going to apply this right in the center to make it look more matte and brownish. And then I'm gonna go and apply this Anastasia lip gloss, and that would be my completed makeup look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this. I really love the way this look turned out. Let me know what you guys want to watch next. I will leave all the name in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.